Welcome to Nichols Better Together, a program for healthy teams and facilities. Today we will be talking about reusing bottles. The Nichols Better Together program is a continuously evolving program for healthy teams and facilities. We currently have several posters and videos with topics that include infectious disease preventative actions, hand washing, routine restroom care, social distancing, and more. In times of extremely high infection rates, we sometimes see a shortage of pump bottles and trigger sprayers. Saving and reusing these bottles is vital so teams can continue to use hand soap, sanitizer, and disinfectants to fight germs and bacteria. As a matter of fact, reusing your bottles is a great sustainability improvement and can save you money in the long run. We will review some steps to help you clean bottles safely so you are prepared to reuse them. There are two important things to follow before you start cleaning your bottles. First, make sure your bottle is completely empty. That way, you won't be wasting any product. Second, wear the proper personal protective equipment based on the product that was last in the bottle. Now, let's dive into the steps of cleaning pump bottles and trigger sprayers. First, separate the trigger or pump with the attached tube from the bottle. Rinse each of them under warm water. Fill a container with warm water and immerse the tube part of the trigger or pump. Use a separate container to immerse the bottle in warm water. Then squeeze the trigger or pump to flush product from the head. Make sure the nozzle is directed towards the sink. Continue spraying or pumping until the warm water does not show any discoloration. This will be between 15 and 20 sprays or pumps. If the trigger is being switched between incompatible products, you should spray to flush the product for at least 2 minutes. The bottle requires a similar process. Fill up the bottle with warm water, shake side to side, and pour water into the sink. Continue this process until the warm water does not show any discoloration. All of us here at Nichols want to make sure you and your team stay safe and healthy because we are better together. Thank you for watching this episode of Better Together. For more information about this program, please visit us at enichols.com/bettertogether.